Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to swap on Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo wallet or your Zengo application, which of course I have done right here. As you can see, I'm in my Zengo homepage. Now this homepage is pretty beautiful because it has a fantastic user interface and it has diverse features that will help you enhance your Zengo experience. It also has diverse icons representing diverse features that will give you exactly what you want to achieve in Zengo. So now that we're here at the top into today's status, how to swap on Zengo wallet. You know, be wondering, how can I swap my cryptocurrency, or how can I swap my asset? How can I just swap my token in Zengo? Here's exactly what you can do. Now from this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen, you're gonna find a couple icons representing diverse features. Now you're gonna find home, you're gonna find history, you're gonna find the middle icon that has the arrow upward and arrow downwards. You're gonna find the settings. You're also gonna find security icon. So go ahead and click on the middle icon, and once you click on that, you're going to see this window that has several options, extended menu setter. So you're going to find this receive, no. So you're going to find receive, you're going to find send, you're going to see buy. You're also going to see sell, earn, swap, and connect. Now go ahead and click on swap, because that's literally what we're looking for. Now here you have you send. So what exactly do you want to send? What is the coin or the blockchain? What exactly do you want to send? So go ahead and click on that and select the assets that you want to send. Maybe Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Polygon selected. So once you have selected that coin, now this is what you're going to get. So select what you want to get. So which coin do you want to get that thing into? So let's say Ethereum, let's say Bitcoin to Ethereum. Let's say we want to swap Bitcoin with Ethereum, or Ethereum with Bitcoin. So select what you send and what you want to get, the coin you want to get. So here you're going to have to enter the amount, and let's say 500 euros. That's Bitcoin, and this is what you're going to get in Ethereum. This is what you're going to get. All right, so once you do that, okay, say I do not have enough funds, all right, I do not have enough funds. But if you have enough funds, all right, and then you've selected what you send and what you want to get, all right, it's just going to take you to a place where, okay, so it's just like once you get into this point and you select your. So I'm going to go over that again. So once you have selected what you want to send and what you get, and you have this button below that says not enough funds, is going to, okay, the rate is actually updating. So it's just going to take you to the next step, right? That it's going to, ask for your billing address, and just step-by-step processes, right? Further processes is going to ensure that your money has been successfully swapped and of course sent to you, all right, using the bank details that you have connected to your Zengo wallet. So what I'm trying to say is that from this window, after doing that, and then you go to the next step, that's this button that says not enough funds. It's just going to take you to the next step if you have funds. And once you click on that, the step-by-step processes, the further processes, right, are going to be self-explanatory, very self-explanatory. So once you click on that, you're going to see that you will successfully be able to swap and get the money that you have swapped your coin into. You're going to get it into your bank account. So remember that once you're doing this process, you're definitely going to be asked to verify your accounts, because Zengo is security tight. Now after going to the verification processes, that's going to be check your mail to see that your transaction has been successful. And once you get that, you're going to check your account to see that you have gotten the money that you have ordered. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.